Good morning, students. Today we will be learning about how to find the six trigonometric ratios of the sides of the right triangles. We have earlier studied about three trigonometric ratios: sine, cosine, and tangent. Now today we'll be learning about remaining three: cosecant, secant, and cotangent. First of all, go ahead and copy the notes in your binder. And when I say copy, I want you to copy everything, including the triangle and everything over here. This means I want you to copy everything what you see in your binder. Go ahead and copy this. Okay, so what are the three trigonometric ratios? The first three were sine, cosine, and tangent, and remaining three are the reciprocal of this. So cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So if this is opposite of hypotenuse, the reciprocal is what? Hypotenuse over opposite. Look over here. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Secant is what? Opposite of this. Reciprocal. Adjacent hypotenuse over adjacent. When you flip this, you get for adjacent or opposite for cotangent theta. So first, earlier we learned about sine. Reciprocal of sine is what? Cosecant. We write cosec. And the first, another one was cos. Now this is sec. And the third one was tangent. Now we have cotangent. So if you get the answer for these three, you can just flip the answer you get for remaining three. Let's check in this problem over here. Go ahead and copy the question over here. I will wait for you. Copy the question and make sure you draw the triangle. Alright, question says find the value of the six trigonometric ratios. Look at the word six trigonometric ratios for angle R. Go ahead and circle this angle R. This is very important. Label the triangle. Is this hypotenuse? Yes, because it is opposite 90 degrees, hypotenuse. Now tell me, I will do like this. Is this opposite side? Since the arrow got curved, this is not opposite side. This is what? Adjacent side. Third one, opposite like in front of it. This is what? Opposite. So let's write what they want us to find. They want us to find sine of R. They want us to find cosine of R. And they want us to find tangent of R. Okay, once we got all three of them, then we will find the reciprocal. Reciprocal of sine is what? Cosecant. So you have to write cosecant of R. If this R is missing, your answer is wrong. Keep in mind. Secant of R and cotangent of R. Now, what is the formula? Your formula is this. You remember the mnemonic? So, ka, to. Alright? So sine of R is what? Opposite over hypotenuse. Don't write O, write at least three letters. Cosine is what? Adjacent over hypotenuse. From where I'm getting all this? I'm getting it from where? Over here. And this is what? Opposite over what? Adjacent. Okay, so opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite is 10. Hypotenuse 11.66. My answer is 10 over 11.66. I got my answer. Let's go to the second one. Cosine of R. Adjacent over hypotenuse. 6 over hypotenuse is where? 11.66. So 6 over 11.6. You can use a calculator if you get the answer in simplest form. Alright. Now I will advise all of you to buy this calculator. Do you see calculator on the screen? Buy this calculator. If you have this calculator, your life will be super easy. Okay. Alright. Now the next one is opposite over adjacent. So opposite is what? 10. Adjacent is what? 6. Now if you will type this in the calculator, it will give you what? 5 over 3 is in the simplest form. You have to type in a calculator for getting this answer. Now cosecant R is what? Reciprocals. You flip this numbers. Your answer is what? 11.66 over 10. This is 6 point sign. 11.66. Let me rewrite it. 11.66 over what? 10. Flip this. 11.66 over what? 6. Is easy. Flip it, it will be 3 over 5. And that's your answer. Copy the solution. Alright, let's do one more question. This is your question number 2. See, in this question, they gave you find sine p, cosine p, tangent p, cosecant p, secant p. Important thing is circle this p over here, label the triangle which is hypotenuse. This is what? Hypotenuse. Now we need to find the opposite side. So let's go over here. Is this opposite side? No, it cannot be. It's an adjacent side. Which side is left? Tick, 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 tick. Straight away, it's your opposite side. Okay, we have to find sine of p. Write it down over here. This is very important. Cosine of p. Look at how big I am drawing this p, just so just let you all know. You should never forget to write this. And the reciprocal of sine is cosecant. You have to memorize this, which is the reciprocal. If you will use the wrong name for the wrong trigonometric ratios, you will end up with the wrong answer. Cotangent of p. Okay, I don't know the formula. So what you do is S is for sine. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. What is the value of opposite? 8. What is the value of hypotenuse? 12.8. If you write in the simplest form, it will be your 2 times 4, 6.4. See, if you are having a calculator, this one, in this, you press this one over here, if it works for me. Okay, let me bring this calculator back if I can use it. See, it is your 8. You go down over here, 12.8. I will advise each one of you go to Walmart, get this calculator, make your life easy. What is the answer? 12.5.8. I'll write it over here, 5 over 8, sorry, 5 over. Alright, so let me see if I made any mistake. 8 over 12, yeah, we are good. So now let's go to the next one. Alright, so let me clear this. Alright, so next one over here it says cosine p is what? Adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent is 10, hypotenuse is 12.8. So 10 over what? 12.8. Again I will use a calculator. Let me bring my calculator. So it is yours 10 divided by 12.8. You all need this calculator. 25 over 32. So this is what? Now do not ask how I got it. Calculator has given me the answer. 25 over what? 32. Now it says opposite. Opposite is 8. Adjacent is this. 8 over 10. So if I will do this, my answer is what? 4 over 5. Now once I have got these three answers, how I can find the remaining is I just have to flip. So let's flip this. So if I will flip this, it will be my 8 over 5. This is my 35 over what? 20, no. It is my what? 32 over what? 25. And the last one is cotangent P. It is the reciprocal of tangent. Your answer is what? 5 over 4. That's your answer. Go ahead and copy the solution. This is your homework for the day. You will take out a sheet of paper. You will write your name. You will write the answers of all of these questions. You will solve this. You will write the answers of all of these questions and you will text me that sheet of paper like you have been doing earlier for warm-ups and other things. Once you text me with your name and class period, I will give you the grade for today's homework. If you don't do it, that's a 0. If you need my help, I'm available for tutoring. Text me on my number 770 666 2430.